Alright fellas, I'll make this really quick short video. Doing this for a fellow D21 owner that's planning on installing a Weber on his D21. Anyhow, this line right here, unless I'm mistaken, it's the line we've been talking about. This water line. I don't recall anymore what the setup was with the stock throttle body that came with this D21. Everything's all just like a haze and a blur. But what I ended up doing to keep the line connected, I mean, I suppose you could plug it off from this end and the other end, but I kept it. Anyhow, one end of this hose, and it's actually two hoses. I didn't have, I think in the moment I didn't have obviously the Weber is a different setup than the stock throttle body. So again, how this actually mounted to the throttle body and then the intake on either end, I don't recall that. So I had to kind of MacGyver stuff around anyway. This end goes to this outlet right here on the top of the intake, and we follow it over here. And what I ended up doing, I used what I had on hand. I used like a brass fitting. I don't recall exactly what, but I used it to bridge both ends of this line, or both of these lines together, you know, and then use these little man, I can't recall what these are called. You know what these are called, but I used them to secure both hoses to this fitting, and so you know, there's no leaks or anything like that. But the other end, if we follow it, let's see if we can get underneath all this. There's so much stuff. But if we follow it underneath the intake, you'll see where it attaches to. I don't believe that makes sense. It's just a really easy thing to do if you're looking to keep that water line. Again, I suppose you could block it off, but I honestly don't know if that's a good idea or not. I honestly don't know, or if it's necessary to keep it. I just kept it just in the off chance that, you know, I didn't want to mess anything up. So I did keep this water line. We'll go through it one more time. Follow it underneath. And that's literally underneath the bottom side of the intake. This line right here that's wiggling, which is, you know, hopefully that makes sense. And keep that in frame long enough so that anybody that's viewing this can actually see what's what and where it goes. Alright. As always, I don't want to make this longer than it already is. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'll see you.